Wow. Wow, that's a good one. Oh, right. Oh, right. I got chicken delivered that night. Well, actually, I'm a homebody these days. Seriously, my home is the best. I guess my home is the best place to spend my free time. I don't know. Well, I don't know. What else did I do? Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, we did a lot of fun things like eating, drinking, stuff like that. Back to our topic. It was the most memorable vacation I've had. With that said, I'm looking forward to my next vacation.